Welcome back to TNA Auto Reviews, where the finest legends of the automotive world come alive once again. Today, we step straight into the glamorous heart of late 1950s America to meet a car that defined luxury, confidence, and pure dramatic style, the unforgettable 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. If there was ever a car that captured the spirit of American excess, it was this one. The 1959 Eldorado Biarritz wasn't designed to be subtle. It was designed to be seen, admired, and adored. With its massive tailfins soaring like rocket wings, bullet-shaped taillights, and a body drenched in chrome, this car didn't just roll down the road, it commanded it. It was Cadillac saying, "This is the peak of luxury, and we're not holding back." Under the hood, the Eldorado Biarritz carried a powerful 390 cubic inch V8 engine paired with advanced engineering for its time. Smooth acceleration, effortless cruising, and a ride quality that felt like gliding above the pavement made this convertible a dream for long highways and nighttime city cruising. The power wasn't wild or aggressive, it was confident, gentle, and endlessly refined. Inside, the Eldorado felt like a luxury lounge on wheels. Plush leather seats, dazzling chrome trim, power everything, and Cadillac's signature craftsmanship created an atmosphere that made every drive feel like a special occasion. The wraparound dashboard, the dramatic steering wheel, and the polished details made even a simple ride feel like stepping into a Hollywood film. This wasn't just a car, it was an experience of comfort and class. The Biarritz represented the height of 1950s optimism. America was dreaming big, designing big, and living big, and this Cadillac embodied all of it. The space-age tailfins weren't just design, they were attitude. They symbolized the future, the jet age, and the belief that anything was possible. Owning a 1959 Eldorado Biarritz meant owning a piece of this bold American dream. Today, this iconic convertible remains one of the most recognizable classic cars ever made. It is a favorite at car shows, museums, and private collections, not just because of its rarity, but because it captures a moment in history like no other car can. It stands as a symbol of an era when design was fearless, and luxury meant going all in. That was the story of the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, a rolling monument to style, confidence, and classic American glamour. Thanks for joining me on TNA Auto Reviews.